Here's how to update your event in the Event Builder Pro system. So here you can see this is Sean's birthday party, and this is under the event section. So anytime I come here, this is what the page is going to look like, and it's going to have a list of events here. I'm going to click into my event, and then you can see that here are all of the details and all of the things that I can use, all the tools that I can use in the Event Builder Pro system to update my event. So all I have to do is on the right side of each section, or most of the sections, you can see that there are little pencil icons. This one does not have a pencil icon because this is an automatic countdown until your actual event date. We have today, the current date is January 9th, and the event is not until September 25th. So we have 258.8 days because of the dates and the hours. But all I'm going to do is click here for the pencil icon. I'm going to go to goals. The goals for my birthday party is I want to celebrate with friends, have a great time, and play some Top Golf. Because I love Top Golf, I would love to go there. So the description, this is going to be Sean's 38th birthday party at Top Golf. And we're going to say, bring your kids and significant other. All right, so we've got the date and time. At any point in time, I can come here and I can change the date and time if I want to. I can click on there for the date or click on here for the time. Same thing for the end date and time. I can change the number of guests if I want to, change the event type, who it's for. I can either choose a venue that is built into the system. I can create a new venue, or I can choose clients if I have the Pro or the Plus section, the Pro or Plus account, sorry, or I can create a new client. So I'm going to hit save, and all of that data is set right here. And that's how you update information on an event in the Event Builder Pro system.